Hey guys, my name is Sanjay Kambarak. Welcome back to my channel SKB English. And today I come with an excellent story that is Letter to God. You know, guys, once upon a time there was a farmer on the top of the high hill. His name was Lencho. And Lencho was the only farmer in the entire valley, and nobody was there to help him. And Lencho maintained his family by doing the cultivation. And this time, and he had done a cultivation, and his crops was going to be ripened, and it was looking golden, and Lencho was very happy. And it was the evening time. One day the raindrops started to fall from the sky, and Lencho thought that it will be passed away, but this rain didn't stop, and it turned into the storm. I would like to tell you that slowly the rain continue, and the Lencho field become whitened, and it looks like a salt cover to it. And after sometimes, and that Lencho come out from the home and looked that his cornfield is totally destroyed, and by the hailstone and the storm it's destroyed his total cornfield. So Lencho didn't understand what to do, what not to do, and how can he maintain his family. So he finally and came to his home and opened the paper and took the pen and write the letter and to the God, and put the letter in the letter box on the name of God. Then this letter goes to the post office and collected by the postman, and postman read on the letter on the name of the God, and he take it to the postmaster, and postmaster read it and become surprised. And postmaster and postman, other employees decided we should not break the belief of Lencho towards the God. So they collected some money, and the postmaster also gave the part of his salary, and other members of this post office and gave part of their salary, and total amount become 70 pesos, and they sent to this pesos on the name of the Lencho. Lencho got the money order, but he didn't satisfy with it, because you know it was 70 pesos, but Lencho begged 100 pesos. I would like to tell you that. So in this way Lencho become very sad, and next time he wrote a letter to the God, and in this letter he wrote, "Oh my God, you know, and I have begged you 100 pesos in the first letter, but you given me only 70 pesos. It is not sufficient for me. Please, you should give me rest 30 pesos, and I to manage my family till next season, to next cultivation." In this way the letter goes to the post office, and then the postmaster and the postman and everybody read it and laughed. They understood Lencho is not a talented person, he was a workshop man. So in this way they did not reply the Lencho's second letter. So in this way Lencho and create believe on the God, and Lencho got 70 pesos due to believe on God. So I would like to tell you that God is everything, God is almighty, God is omnipresent, God is omniscient, God is great. Just you believe in God, then automatically your problem will be solved. And no doubts, always pray to God, believe in God, and keep faith on yourself, then your problem will be solved. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day.